Assalamualaikum and hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to wash the fish for cooking. We will also clean all the dirt without applying anything like basin or haldi. People apply basin and many other things to clean the fish. Today, without applying anything, just with water, how to clean it with running water and fresh water, I'm going to show you and you'll be enjoying it. So without any further delay, let's get started. So this is the way you need to wash, and finally after washing it with several waters, our fish is ready to be cooked. Now you can mix the masalas and marinate it before cooking or frying. See how clean it had become. This way you need to clean the fish with running water. This is the best way to clean the fish. If you like this video, do share it with your friends and family members, and do subscribe my channel for more such amazing videos. I'm going to share you fish recipes soon. Allah Hafiz.